What's up guys, it's Alexis with Smart Prop Trader, back at you today with a video discussing all things Forex, also known as foreign exchange and foreign exchange trading. When you first begin your trading journey with Smart Prop Trader, it's important to pinpoint exactly what you want to trade. It's no surprise that Forex has become increasingly popular amongst traders. Forex functions similar to a lot of other things you might be interested in trading. For example, stocks or crypto. It's similar because when you're trading Forex, you're looking for changes in value and obviously looking to profit off of those changes. As you know, different countries have different currencies. So when you exchange, say, the US dollar for a euro, you'll get a different amount. It's all relative, right? So you might ask, well, how do I profit off of this? Well, just like stocks, currency values are always moving. But how do we anticipate these moves? Unfortunately, it's not a simple answer. For example, with trading stocks, you can look at charts and predict trends to know what may come, when to buy low, when to sell high, etc. Although a lot of these practices apply to Forex trading, you just have to know exactly what to look for. You may look at how the economy of that country is performing and geopolitical factors. So what you're ultimately looking for in Forex trading is finding a currency that's going to increase in value to turn a profit. There is so much more to Forex, but it's important to have a basic understanding of what you're getting into with trading Forex. Dip your toe in the water with Smart Prop Trader, the prop firm with the best and lowest prices in the industry. As always, be sure to follow along on social media at Smart Prop Trader. By the way, we're almost to 10K followers on Instagram, and we'll throw a huge giveaway when that happens, so stay tuned. Also, check out this video interview with one of the most successful prop traders in the industry, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've had a lot of payouts in the last couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for more funded trader chats with Alexis coming soon. Again, we're so grateful for all of you, and I hope you have an amazing night.